Welcome to our cookery demonstration program. Say Ayubowan, Ayubowan, Ayubowan. It's mean long life. Wish you the long life. Okay? Right, right. දැන් මේ ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නේ කුකරි ඩෙමොන්ස්ට්‍රේෂන් එකකට. හරිද? දැන් අපේ චෙෆ් ඔන්න දෙන්න මේවා ටික සහයෝගය ලබා දෙන්න. ඈ? හොඳයි. අපේ මේ අම්මා ඉන්නකො. ඇවිල්ලා මේවට පොඩ්ඩක් උදව් කරන්න. Just to enjoy. Just enjoy. Alright, passion cordial and lime juice. And shake, shake, chaka, 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 chaka. Huh? Okay, then cheers, huh? Okay, cheers. In German, how you say cheers? Ost. 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 In Spain, right?
Salud.
Salud, 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 salud. In Argentina?
Salud.
Salud. Okay. In Sri Lanka, very veva. Very veva. Good one.
Show you how to cook it. How to cook it. Normally grilling. Very good taste, healthy, soft fish. Then we will cook and we will serve it to as well to eat also. And at the same time you can come and share with us how to cook. You can grill it, whatever, if you like.
You can participate.
Yes,
Yeah?
you can participate.
Very good.
Now we will start. The first thing is we have to add some oil.
Little bit of oil. අපි දැන්
Yes,
ඉස්සෙල්ලාම
we are
තෙල්
using
ටිකක් දාන්න.
fresh coconut oil, some cinnamon to get taste and aroma. Before grilling the fish, we had to add this thing, all the things.
So then only you can get the proper taste.
A little bit of garlic, some ginger,
දැන් සේර චුට්ටකුත් දැම්ම මේකට. curry leaves and lemon grass. Huh? How is the cocktail? Good. Very good. Very good. We are adding now. We are adding everything.
Now you can see it nice smell. You can see it nice smell. Now we have to add the fish fillet. Before that, we already marinate with the salt and pepper, then some herb, rosemary, thyme, tarragon, lime. Then we are using rosemary, thyme, tarragon, olive oil, and the lemon, and the salt and pepper. We had to season little bit of time, maybe 20 minutes of time we had to keep it to get nice taste. Then we had to add some cumin seed.
ඒ කියන්නේ මේ සූදුදු. විනාඩි 20ක් විතර මේ ටික දාලා
Now we have to keep it like this way. Skin part bottom.
මේ වැව් මාළු වගේ මේ පොට්ට පැත්ත. ඒ කියන්නේ අර ස්කින් එක කියන්නේ අපි. ඔන්න ඔය පැත්ත තමයි මේක යටට දාන්නේ. හරි නේද චෙෆ්?
Yes. Hari. One side we have to keep it 2 minutes. At least 2 minutes of time we have to keep.
ඒ කියන්නේ විනාඩි දෙකක් විතර මෙහෙම කියලා තියන්න ඕනේ. We have to keep it at least 2 minutes. Huh? Now we have put upside down. Huh? Very good. Now it will be absorb all the spices. Huh? Now it is called banana leaf. Now we are going to wrap like sandwich. Huh? Okay? Very good, very good. දැන් අපි මේ කෙහෙල් කොලේ මේක දාලා උතන්ට තමයි යන්නේ.
Then it will be take more tasty and more soft. Because of that reason, we had to wrap it in the banana leaf.
දැන් මේක පේනවද? හොඳට කැමරාවට අල්ලන්න බලන්න. Onion, garlic, ginger paste එකක් තමයි මේ තියෙන්නේ. Now this is with onion, garlic and ginger. Huh? Can you see? Onion, garlic, ginger paste. Yeah, just put it together. Now we are going to wrap it with this.
One, we will show you how to wrap it. Then you can come and also just wrap it. Okay? Please come, Matt. Have enjoy.
Yes, come man. Yes, sir.
Now first of all, now look at this. Huh? From this corner. Very good. Very good. ලංකාවේ අයිට කියන්න ඕනේ මේක මේ අර අපි ගෙවල් වල බත් ඔතන්නේ. අන්න ඒ විදිහට තමයි මේ කේල් කොලේ ඔතලා ගන්නෙ. හොඳද?
Yes.
අපි දැන් මෙහෙම ටූත් පික් එකක් ගහලා මෙහෙම කරනකොට මේක ගැලවෙන්නේ ආයි. So when you are putting toothpick like this, so it will be not finished. Then this one will go for the other one. Yeah. Ready? Now we are going to prepare a ghee rice. Okay. Now this is a very healthy and very tasty one. We'll add some little bit of ghee oil. අපි දැන් ඔන්න එළඟි තෙල් චුට්ටක් දැම්මා. දැන් මොනවද මේ දාන්න යන්නේ?
Garlic.
Chop garlic.
Chop garlic at the onion.
සුදු ලුණු, ඊලුණු,
And curry. Yes, curry.
කරපිංචක්, සීර.
If you are interested in joining our cookery demonstration, follow my Click with NA Facebook page.
To get more taste.
Now coconut is very famous in Sri Lanka. When you are preparing any other curries or any other vegetable, so we are adding most of the time coconut.